Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert any colors into hex value on Excel. Sometimes people would like to convert color into hex value on their Excel sheet. Microsoft Excel has the feature to convert the colors into hex value. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So in my Excel, I have a color name and the colors column. Then I would like to convert this color into hex value. So first I have to include the VB script. So I have to copy this VB script. This is also available in the description section. You can copy and paste into your Excel VB script section. So you have to minimize. So you have to press the Alt F11. This will be open the Microsoft Visual Basic for application. So here you have to click on the insert. Then you have to click on the module. Here you have to paste the code what you copied in the notepad. So this VB script you have to save this. You have to click on the save. Then you have to click on the save. That's it. So now you have to close this. Now it's ready to convert the color into hex value. So you have to use the formula. Here you have to select the cell. So here you have to add default HexCodeRGB. Then you have to select the color cells. Then you have to close the bracket. Then press the tab. That's it. Now the color converted into hex value. So you have to double click up here. It will be converted for the all colors. So in this way you can convert the colors into hex value on your Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.